Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Muhammad. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve for this indefinite integral. So we have here the integral of x squared plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, so how can we solve for this? The easiest way to solve for this integral is basically by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by x squared. So let's do that and let's see what happens. So this is going to be equal to the integral of, so if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by x squared is going to become 1 plus 1 divided by x squared. This is going to become x squared plus 1 over x squared dx. And then if we think about the numerator, which is 1 plus 1 over x squared, that is basically the derivative of x minus 1 over x. So if we can have that term in the denominator, that would make perfect sense, because we're going to have a quantity in the denominator with its derivative in the numerator. So how can we do that? By basically completing the square of the denominator, okay? By completing the square of the denominator. So what we're gonna do here, to force this to be x minus 1 over x, we're gonna subtract 2 and add 2, okay? So that is gonna be equal to 1 plus 1 over x squared. Now x squared, we're gonna subtract 2, and then we're gonna bring the x1 over x squared here, and we're gonna put all that between two parentheses. And since we subtracted 2, then we have to add 2 so that the quantity does not change. And we already have 1, so 2 plus 1, that's gonna give us plus 3. dx, of course. Now, if we think about the denominator, it's basically a complete square, which is equal to x minus 1 over x all squared. So we're gonna leave the numerator untouched, and the denominator is gonna be equal to x minus 1 over x between two parentheses, all raised to the power 2, plus, now 3 is nothing but the square root of 3 all squared, and of course dx here. So now we have something, a quantity, which is x minus 1 over x, which is squared, plus a constant, which is the square root of 3 squared, with the derivative of the squared quantity x minus 1 over x in the numerator, which is 1 plus 1 over x squared. So a simple u substitution, we can let x minus 1 over x equals u. So we're going to end up having du divided by u squared plus 3, okay, which basically should remind us of the inverse tangent, but we can do it right away. Actually, we don't have to do the substitution. So basically this is going to be equal to 1 over the squared constant, which is basically the square root of 3, the inverse tangent of the squared quantity between two parentheses, okay, the squared quantity, which is basically x minus 1 over x divided by the squared constant, which is basically the square root of 3, and we need to close the parentheses and don't forget the integration constant, and that is basically the answer to this problem. I found this way is the easiest. Well, you can think about many other ways to solve for this integral, but I would recommend that you guys go this way, as it is short and fast and makes full sense. If you like this video, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.